Hey, how's it going, everyone? I'm going to show you real fast how I did my lights or light switches on my 2017 JK. From here, you can see turns on. They look fairly factory. You know, it ran through here and up through the firewall. And mounted in, not so pretty in here, but I'll take apart the dash real quick and let you see how I mounted it. Alright, now that's disassembled. You can see right here where I have my wires running in. Now I'm going to unscrew those screws right there and pop that off so you can see how I did this just a little bit better. Okay, you can see it's not the prettiest thing in there, but once it's all in, it looks pretty good. What I had to do is take a Dremel tool and Dremel it off to get it to fit. And then this is the extra super glue right in here. So I had to super glue it in because I over Dremeled, so be very careful when you Dremel. And that's also super glue in there. Alright, see that pops open, that pops open, and then you have where I had to cut out the pieces and Dremel it out to get it working in here. You see, there's your switch. That's it. That's pretty much how it works. You just use your Dremel tool, pop these little casings off. Right here, pop little casings off. Get your rough guesstimate of a size for your little switch. They are the Your Life switches. So you see they fit pretty well. And then you just Dremel tool around in a circle until they fit. A little bit dirty right now. There you go, and that, like I said, that's a super glue from where I over super glued.